Hi guys, welcome back to my channel today. We are here with another Bobbi Boss wig, and this one is Channel. Yes, honey. I have her in 3 colors. So this one is the MLF143 Channel, and I have her in the TT1B purple. Yes, honey. Let's see what she looking like. Ew. All right, let's pop her on. See what we working with here. All right. Okay, this is cute. Let me get it right now. Okay. The texture is very beautiful. Yes. Loving the layers that's in there. I'm not getting a lot of shedding as I'm running my fingers through it. Very pretty. I'm kind of feeling this. And although it's purple, do you see that blue and the black highlights? I got to take my glasses off, honey. Okay, got to see how I'm going to get this slayage on. She is cute. I'm just looking at that ear to ear. That parting space is beautiful. Now I'm going to turn around. It's very full, y'all. Very full. Very natural looking. Yes. Do you see the colors in there? That is gorgeous. Loving it. And like I said, that's a deep parting area. I don't have to do no plucking. I just got to cut that lace off, honey. Let's get it. Hi, sweets. Welcome back to my channel today. Yes, we have hit 100 subscribers. Ew. It may not seem not a lot to a lot of people, but that's a lot to me for just starting my channel in just a few months that I've been on YouTube. So I appreciate you guys so much. To all my new subscribers, my subscribers that just subscribed within the last couple months, the people who's been rocking with me from the beginning, I so appreciate you guys so much. Hey, going into 2021. Ew. Yes. All right, guys, let's get into this video. So today, you guys, we got 3 colors that I am giving you, okay? I was going through my closet and I had these bomb wigs because I'm looking for me some birthday hair, honey. Yes, I want to be cute even though I'm going to be inside for my birthday. I was like, let me go and look through my wig storage and see what I got. And I came up with these bomb wigs, okay? I bought these before I was doing YouTube. So I got 3 colors. I got a 1B, I got a purple, and I got a blue. Okay, y'all? So I'm going to leave all the links below to the exact colors that I got. But honey, this purple one. So this purple one is not all purple, okay? It's got a little bit of blue in it. And so this is by Bobbi Boss. This is MLF143 Channel. And like these wigs have been out for a while. So there is Ebony line that still has a few colors. And then there's a few other sites that still have a few colors. So if you can't find the ones that I have here, there are some other colors left. But I still thought it was a cool thing to do a review. And I'm actually going to get the green. I'll read from the stock card here. So they have a lot of different colors. But the ones that I see now is the TT99J, which is purple, mixed in with 99J. I see the TT1B green and the TT1B teal. I just picked up the teal one from Ebony 9, so I hope that one's going to be cute. It looks really pretty. I've seen other YouTubers do reviews on it, and it's really pretty. And it has more black in it, but then it had the highlights of the teal. It looks really pretty. So does the green too. And so this is a premium synthetic wig, and she is heat safe. It has handmade Swiss lace, and then it has the deep natural part, which the parting space is good. I didn't do anything to it. I didn't do no plucking. I just cut that lace off, and that's pretty much it. It does say that she's 5 inches deep lace part. So that parting area does go all the way towards the back, which is really pretty. And then that's pretty much it. She is kind of like a soft. The texture is a yaki texture, which is really pretty. It comes off really nice. It feels really good. It's really soft. It's kind of long, maybe about 20 or so inches. Kind of comes down like over my boob area. So not that bad. And I did turn around for you guys. There was no gaps in the back. I will turn around in the back. And I'm getting a little tangling. So that's pretty much it for today's review, you guys. It was just a little quick come on and show you these 3 little beautiful colors that I got. And once I get the other 2 colors, I'll just probably pop on my gram and show the colors there. So if you want to see, follow me on Instagram at the handle below, and then you'll be able to see the other colors. So until then, my sweets, let me know, since like I said, we hit 100 subscribers, and what should I do? Giveaway, gift card? I don't know. Give me some ideas below in the comment section. And then until next time, my sweets, be safe. Bye.